Welcome to our latest listing in the heart of Istanbul's vibrant Maslak district, where business and lifestyle converge in perfect harmony. This stunning property is an architectural marvel, offering breathtaking 360-degree panoramic views of the Bosphorus, three iconic bridges, and the captivating city skyline. Designed by Thornton Tomasetti, a world leader in innovative steel construction, this project stands as the highest and most detailed composite structure in the region. It caters to diverse lifestyles, with a variety of housing units featuring independent entrances, exits, and activity areas, ensuring privacy and convenience. Location is everything, and this property is perfectly situated in Istanbul's dynamic business district. Enjoy easy access to major corporations, co-working spaces, upscale restaurants, and key transportation routes like BY Ditter Road. Plus, you'll be just minutes away from historical sites, top universities, hospitals, and premier shopping destinations. Living here means indulging in world-class amenities. A 6-story car park providing ample parking space. A rejuvenating sauna for ultimate relaxation. A pristine swimming pool to enjoy a refreshing dip. A fully equipped gym to maintain your fitness routine. Don't miss this opportunity to own a piece of luxury in Istanbul's most sought-after location. Contact TIMONDRO today to schedule a viewing and experience this extraordinary property for yourself.
Thank you.